Through this simple yet a meaningful gesture, we honor their courage and selflessness.
Sa bawat bulaklak na inaalay, ipinakita natin na ang kanilang mga sakripisyo ay patuloy nating pinapahalagahan at hindi kailanman malilimutan.
May this act remind us of the legacy they have left behind. Naway magsilbi itong paalala na ang kalayaan ay bunga ng kanilang pakikibaka at nararapat lamang na ito'y ating ingatan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the wreath laying ceremony.
We would like to request Honorable Frederick W. Shao, our Commander of the Western Mindanao Command, represented by our Brigadier Commander Tagiban. We have also the Police Colonel Mario M. Bakiran Jr., our Director of Iligan City Police Office, and the City Director of the DILG Iligan, Maria Maida B. Daniot, CESO 5. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the wreath-laying ceremony.